This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make prison burritos. This guide will show you how to create a surprisingly satisfying meal using simple, readily available items. You will need just a few core ingredients like instant ramen, a bag of chips, and some meat sticks. The process is straightforward, requiring minimal tools and effort. We will transform these basic components into a flavorful and filling burrito, perfect for a resourceful snack or meal. Now, let's prepare the delicious filling. Take your rehydrated ramen and chip mixture, then crumble in your meat sticks. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. This is also the perfect time to add any available seasonings. A few dashes of hot sauce or a pinch of chili powder can elevate the taste significantly. Aim for a thick, almost paste-like consistency that will hold together nicely inside your burrito. This ensures a satisfying bite every time. With your filling ready, it's time for assembly. Find a large tortilla or, if unavailable, flatten a slice of bread as much as possible. Lay it flat on a clean surface. Now, take your flavorful filling and spread it evenly across the tortilla, leaving about 1 inch of space around the edges. Begin rolling from one side, tucking in the ends as you go, to create a tight, compact burrito. This prevents any filling from escaping. Congratulations, your prison burrito is complete. It's best enjoyed right away while the flavors are fresh. If you happen to have access to a cheese spread or a similar condiment, a thin layer inside can add an extra dimension of richness. This simple yet ingenious method demonstrates how to create a surprisingly hearty and flavorful meal from very basic ingredients. It's a testament to resourcefulness and creativity, offering a satisfying experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.